To get the full list of camp stoves before completing the video, you can head over to the video description below. Here we have assembled the best 5 camp stoves in the market. The 4th place is held by the Esbit Ultralight Folding Pocket Stove. The stove is made from titanium and is configured with 3 legs that fold and unfold around a small tray in the center, sized to hold a 14-gram Esbit solid fuel tablet. The legs are designed to allow the stove to be used with various sizes of cups and pots. Larger pots can rest on the top of the legs, and smaller cups can rest on the serrated edges. An excellent addition to any pack on Summit Day. The stove is constructed from ultralight titanium, is lightweight and foldable, and stores in the included mesh bag. The tablet tray holds solid fuel in place. The 3rd placed one on our list is the BioLite Camp Stove 2. It features 50% more power, an integrated battery, and an updated LED dashboard for improved control and feedback. Burning only wood, the Camp Stove 2's fan creates a smokeless fire that can cook meals and boil water in minutes, while turning its heat into usable electricity. Compatible with the kettle pot and portable grill, cook up wood-fired meals and charge devices using only the sticks around you. The runner-up is the Primus 2-Pike. 2-Pike comes with a custom griddle plate with a non-stick surface for easy use and cleaning. The griddle plate is made from die-cast aluminum, which ensures a good heat distribution. The grids and the drip tray can be removed and cleaned individually. The solid materials and its robust design ensure years of reliable service. The stove is powered either by the smaller and lighter canister normally used for backpacking stoves, or for more stationary use, the larger gas canisters. And the best camp stove is the Jetboil Minimo. Proprietary regulator technology and enhanced regulator diaphragm ensure consistent performance down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The redesigned valve and regulator for unmatched simmer control. There is a redesigned cooking cup with the perfect combination of size, sturdy metal handles, and optimized height, providing users with an easy-to-eat experience. The rubber-coated metal handles provide a robust interface for both cooking and eating. It has a convenient push-button piezo igniter. It includes an insulating drink-through lid and measuring cup. If you thought this video on the top 4 camp stoves was helpful, then show us some love by liking it. To help us make more videos like this in the future, please subscribe.